here's a cool video of me getting rid of a hornet's nest using the extension sprayer pole for the flow zone. Got the camera mounted so you can see nice and close. And there I am spraying apart the nest, opening it up to access the comb and spray down the adults. Did you see the hornet land on the camera? It's pretty cool. And this is the most time-consuming part of the process. Is basically just getting rid of the adults that are flying around, or at least getting enough chemical in them that they're disoriented enough that they're not going to tag you when you walk up to pick up the nest. Always try to have good control. With a longer pole is harder. Here I am prying the nest off the eave. Bam, it's down. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and just knock down whoever's left. And I'm going to walk up and remove the comb and the paper as we clean up after ourselves at Tailor Made Pest Control. And there's your comb. Pretty cool, huh?